When is the sum and difference undefined? The sum or difference of two matrices of different orders are undefined. For example, if I have a matrix A of 1, 2, 4, 9, 3, and -2, and then I have a matrix B of 1, 1, -2, and 2, the order of A is 3 by 2, and the order of B is 2 by 2. I can't add corresponding elements because they don't have corresponding elements. So I would simply say that the sum or difference is undefined.